Welcome to Puerto de la Cruz, one of the most beautiful places on Tenerife Island. It is a city with a soul, where natural beauty, colonial charm, and a relaxed resort atmosphere combine. In this film, we'll show you a route that includes the most iconic and beautiful places in the city. From the botanical garden to cozy beaches, from historical buildings to street art, you will get a complete picture of Puerto de la Cruz. You'll find the link to the Puerto de la Cruz travel guide in the video description. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy the film. Puerto de la Cruz is located in the north of the island and is considered one of the oldest tourist centers of the Canary Islands. The city is compact. Its population is about 20,000 people, and you can easily visit all famous sites without a car in just one day. The island has two international airports, the southern TFS International Airport and the northern Ciudad de la Laguna Airport. You can get to Puerto de la Cruz by bus from both of them. The northern one is only 30 minutes away. Public transport on the island is well organized. The weather on the island is mild and comfortable all year round. In summer, the temperature rarely exceeds plus 28 degrees Celsius, and in winter, it does not fall below plus 18 degrees Celsius. Rains occur mainly in winter, especially in January and February, but even in these months, you can count on sunny days. The Puerto de la Cruz Botanical Garden, Jardín Botánico, is a must-see for anyone who wants to experience the spirit of Tenerife and its unique nature. Located in the La Paz district, this garden covers 20,000 square meters and serves as a living museum of exotic plants from around the world. Founded on August 17, 1788, by the decree of King Carlos III, the garden was conceived as a place to acclimatize tropical and subtropical plants before they were sent to mainland Spain. This garden is the second oldest botanical garden in the country after the one in Madrid. Today, you can see more than 4,000 species of plants here, including rare palms, bromeliads, ficus, monsteras, and anthuriums. Particular attention is paid to collections from Asia, Africa, and South America. Jardín Botánico is the perfect place to start a walk in the shade of exotic trees, especially on a hot day. The garden is within walking distance of the city center and will be the starting point for our one-day leisurely tour of Puerto de la Cruz. Now we'll walk through the Botanico district down from the botanical garden. There are many cafes, restaurants, and shops along the way. The Chapel of San Amaro lies opposite the Mirador La Paz. It is the oldest religious building in Puerto de la Cruz, which was built in 1591. Despite its modest architecture, it was an important pilgrimage center in the La Orotava Valley. The next stop is Mirador La Paz, which means peace in Spanish, lives up to its name. It exudes tranquility and serenity. The site offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean, Martiánez Beach, and the Costa Martiánez tourist complex. It's the perfect place to take photos and enjoy the city's panoramic views. This is also an iconic place for Puerto de la Cruz because it was a source of inspiration for Agatha Christie, one of the greatest writers of the 20th century. Walking down from Mirador La Paz along Paseo San Amaro, you will come across a unique landmark, the Agatha Christie staircase. Each step is painted in bright colors and decorated with the titles of the great writer's works, such as Murder on the Orient Express and Death on the Nile. It is not only a tribute to her work, but is also a great place for taking pictures. From the Agatha Christie stairs, we descend to Playa Martiánez, one of the main beaches of Puerto de la Cruz. The beach is covered with black volcanic sand, typical of Tenerife, and surrounded by rocky areas. Due to the strong waves, Playa Martiánez is especially popular among surfers. For safe swimming, it is recommended to choose areas closer to the Lago Martiánez complex near breakwaters. In winter and spring, the beach is often not suitable for swimming due to rough seas and strong currents. However, it remains a wonderful place for long walks, fresh ocean air, and enjoying the power of the Atlantic. Next to the beach, there is a beautiful promenade with cafes and shops where you can take a break. From here, you can enjoy stunning views of the ocean, especially during sunset, a great opportunity to take beautiful photos. After walking along Playa Martiánez, you reach one of the most iconic places in Puerto de la Cruz, the Costa Martiánez complex. This amazing ensemble of seawater pools was designed in the 1970s by the famous Canarian artist and architect César Manrique. Costa Martiánez consists of a huge central lake with islands and fountains, several pools of different depths for children and adults, sunbathing areas, a cafe, and even a casino. This place is ideal for a family holiday. It is safe and comfortable, and there is always a place to relax or spend time actively. A full-day ticket costs about 5 to 7 euros for adults, and there are discounts for children. Playa San Telmo is a cozy beach in the very center of Puerto de la Cruz. It is only about 20 meters long, and the surface consists of black volcanic sand and small pebbles. The main feature of the beach is the natural pools formed by solidified lava, which are filled with seawater during high tides. This makes San Telmo a popular place for safe swimming and snorkeling. Nearby is the San Telmo Shrine, built in 1780 on the site of an old fortress. Devoted to the patron saint of sailors, it houses a figure of the Dominican father San Pedro González Telmo, dating from the late 18th century. Walking further along the embankment, you will see Mirador Punta del Viento. It is a small viewing platform from where you can enjoy impressive views of the rocky and dramatic coastline of the city. You'll see the spectacle of waves crashing against the rocks, which creates a mass of white foam. Approaching the central square Plaza de la Iglesia, you will see the church of Nuestra Señora de la Peña de Francia. This is the main Catholic church of Puerto de la Cruz. It was built in 1697 and became the spiritual and cultural center of the city. The facade is made of volcanic stone in the Canarian style. In the chapel, you can also witness a collection of religious paintings and silverware from the 17th to 18th centuries. The church is active and open to visitors. Plaza del Charco is the heart of Puerto de la Cruz. This lively square has been a central meeting place for locals and travelers for centuries. The square's name translates as Pool Square, seawater used to collect here during high tide. Today, Plaza del Charco is surrounded by palm trees, and in the center, there is a fountain where you can relax in the shade. There are cafes, restaurants, and shops around the perimeter of the square, and the atmosphere is especially lively in the evenings when families and tourists gather here. The square is ideal for a short break after exploring the city. Here, you can not only enjoy the atmosphere, but also have a delicious lunch. Next, we'll go to the former fisherman's neighborhood, with narrow cobbled streets and colorful house facades. This area, which dates back to the 18th century, has retained its authentic character and is today a center for street art, thanks to the Puerto Street Art Initiative. The mural, La fuerza está en las raíces, Strength in the Roots, is one of the emblematic works of the Puerto Street Art Project in Puerto de la Cruz. Walking along the coast from the previous point, you will see El Castillo San Felipe. This 17th century fortress was built to protect against pirates. It is located near the Jardín beach and has a distinct pentagonal shape. Playa Jardín is a famous black sand beach complex in Puerto de la Cruz, designed by Cesar Manrique. It includes Playa del Castillo, Playa Chica, and Playa Maria Jimenez, each with its own vibe, but all surrounded by palm trees, volcanic rocks, and tropical gardens. These beaches offer everything you need: sunbeds, showers, lifeguards, beach bars, and cozy cafes, perfect for a relaxed day by the ocean. However, in July 2024, Playa Jardín was closed due to water pollution. The beach is expected to remain closed until 2026, when the necessary repairs are completed. A walk around Puerto de la Cruz gave us vivid impressions of the botanical garden, street art, historic fortresses and chapels, picturesque beaches, promenades and viewpoints. This city is a real treasure of Tenerife, where history, culture and nature are intertwined in every street. You can walk here endlessly. Around every turn, new corners, hidden courtyards, cozy cafes and picturesque views open up. Puerto de la Cruz is always ready to surprise and inspire its guests. You'll find the link to the Puerto de la Cruz travel guide in the video description. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy the film.